No cap, but every gym bro needs to understand the concepts and the basics of PRI and body biomechanics while playing around in the freaking gym. Muscle building is a freaking marathon, guys, and longevity is super necessary. The two cousins, PRI and biomechanics, can definitely help minimize one's injuries because aches and nagging pains ain't fun. Facts, no printer. Now, I shall start my yap session with a hypothetical example that will help me illustrate the previous statement. Let's assume Dion, a naturally enhanced bodybuilder who does his regular barbell back squat by elevating his heels with the help of a gym plate. On the other hand, we have the science-based muscle god Mr. Kashish Gupta who squats on a freaking ramp. Both these lads have super long femurs and a shorter torso. But the catch is, for a regular person, squatting on a ramp or a gym plate is the freaking same. Spoiler alert, they are miles apart. When you squat on a ramp, your soul is biased towards supination. But heel elevated squatting on a gym plate biases your feet towards pronation. So if Dion has flat feet and he squats using a gym plate, he is cooked for real. So if Mr. Swole Gupta, who has a higher foot arch, uses a ramp to squat, it's like adding more fuel to the fire. He's also not addressing the lack of pronation in his goddamn feet. For a layman, these concepts wouldn't make any freaking sense, but for a serious gym lifter who is concerned about the goddamn nuance, then just freaking remember this. If you are flat-footed, use a freaking ramp for squatting. If you have a higher foot arch, use a gym plate elevated squatting pattern. Squatting shoes are more suitable for the flat-footed. Nuances matter, folks, and I freaking love these stuff. Understanding nuances can help one visualize his lifting journey through a superior lens. One last advice is to stay away from freaking gym coaches who say the same goddamn thing to every Gen Z gym lad with mullet hairstyle who is a freaking doofus who steps foot in the freaking gym. I hope this message sinks in, and until then, peace out.
देखिए, एक तो बेसिक ट्रिक है, एक तो लाइक और शेयर ठोक दीजिए महाकाल का दबा के लाइक और शेयर ठोक लीजिए। 5000 लौटे दिख जाना चाहिए। ये 4000 के लिए मैं यहाँ पे नहीं खड़ा हूँ, पूरा साल मेहनत करता हूँ आपके लिए बेटा। ऐसा नहीं चलेगा, ऐसा नहीं चलेगा। लाइक ठोकी दबा के, लाइक ठोकिए। यहाँ पे देखिए, ऐसा क्वेश्चन चुटकी बजाते